Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Nano Shark EA, also referred to as Nano Shark for MT5. This is a multi-strategy goal system that avoids greed and martingale methods. Let's look at the claims and my backtest results as well. So as you can see, the EA goes for 30,000 US dollars. And if we expand this, you see that on the MKO5 page, the Nano Shark is described as a professional expert advisor designed for XAU USD gold. It combines multiple independent trading strategies, each triggered by different market conditions and timeframes ranging from M5 up to daily and even weekly. The core logic focuses on identifying high probability price action signals across various market structures. The EA does not use grid, martingale, or averaging techniques. Every trade is opened with a predefined stop loss and take profits, supported by an advanced multi-level trailing stop system that locks in gains aggressively across 5 levels. There's also a special counter trend logic for the Asian session on gold, a spread filter, market hours protection, and a universal error prevention system that validates margin, lot size, and broker requirements before sending orders. As for the features, the key features include the multi-strategy architecture across many time frames, 5-level intelligent trailing stop, universal error prevention with automatic lot reduction, spread and market hours filters, retry system for failed orders, FIFO compatibility, and configurable margin and risk caps. Recommended settings are XAUUSD on any time frame. The EA analyzes multiple time frames internally. Okay. The minimum deposit is around $200 and the reliable VPS um, is needed because some strategies track conditions step by step and can lose eternal state if the terminal restarts. Lot size guidance starts at 0.01 for smaller balances. I see all of that over here. All right, let's check if there are any screenshots. Okay, we have just one screenshot provided here. So we are going to quickly go over to my back test because I was able to perform back tests on this EA to see how it actually performs, if it actually holds up to the claims here on the site. So let's head over to MT5 and take a look. As you can see, I have it installed. I use the recommended pair, the XAUSD, on the M5 time frame for the custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. Um, on a 10K account, the equity curve is a bit choppy, as you can see, and ends near break even with only a small net profit, as you can see in the results here, of just $128. The profit factor is at 1.06 and maximum relative drawdown is roughly 6.5%. This type of result indicates that under the tested settings and period, the multi-strategy combination did not produce a strong net edge after costs. Multi-time frame price action systems can generate frequent signals, but they can also produce overlapping or conflicting trades that cancel each other out or create noise. The absence of greed and martingale is a clear positive for risk transparency. The multi-level trailing stop aims to protect open profits systematically. The error prevention and margin controls are practical design choices. However, the near flat equity curve shows that these features alone do not deliver consistent growth in the tested window. Alright, so honestly, the features that matter most are the risk or lot settings, continuous VPS operation to preserve strategy states, and careful evaluation of how the multiple strategies interact under real spreads and slippage. Code remains highly volatile regardless of the filters used. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, multi-strategy systems can underperform when several layers fire poorly at the same time. Restarting the EA can disrupt internal tracking. Spreads and news still matter. In practice, start with the smallest recommended lots, run on a stable VPS, monitor closely, and treat the design as experimental until independently verified. Past results never guarantee future performance. So, who is this actually for and who should avoid it? This may suit traders who want a diversified multi-time frame gold approach with clean, non-recovery risk structure and are willing to accept periods of flat or noisy performance. You should avoid if you expect strong, consistent growth, prefer single logic systems, or cannot maintain uninterrupted VPS operation. The high listed purchase price relative to the modest tested results also warrants careful consideration. Overall, the Nano Shark EA is a multi-strategy gold system with predefined stops, multi-level trailing, and no grid or martingale. The shared backtest showed near break-even performance with moderate drawdown. Independent verification and conservative risks are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex toolbox from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.